Let us take two more examples in which we will be having 4 ligands, or the secondary valency coordination number will be 4. Let us take the example of first tetrachloridonickelate 2. Now in this case nickel is in +2 state, so it is 3D8 4s0. So nickel in +2 state, ground state, is having configuration of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like this is 3D8, 4s0 and 4p0. Now what happens is there are 4 chlorides approaching to form a complex with the nickel. Now the magnetic moment data says it is paramagnetic. When the data says it is paramagnetic, it means what? No pairing of these 2 electrons is taking place. So it means what? Where the 4 chlorides are going, they are occupying the other empty s and p orbitals. So what we find nickel +2 in the excited state is that its sp orbitals combines to form what? This 3D8 remains as such. They combine to form sp3 hybridized orbitals, and with the 4 chlorides they get accommodated. So this complex will be tetrahedral. Since it has 2 electrons, so it exactly correlates with the magnetic moment data. It will be paramagnetic, and we are having this kind of an arrangement of this complex. So this is what we have, tetrachloridonickelate 2. Now let us see another example of the coordination compound in which the coordination number is 4. It is tetracyanidodnickelate 2. Now in this case nickel is in +2 state, so it's again having 3D8 4s0 configuration. So nickel +2 in ground state can easily be drawn like this in the box diagram as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like this. It's 3D8 4s0 4p0. Now the magnetic moment data explains this compound to be a diamagnetic complex or compound. So it means what? The pairing of these 2 electrons is taking place. So what we find is nickel +2b in the excited state as 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happens is these 8 electrons, they pairs up to form 4 pair, and rest of the s and p are empty. So 4 cyanido enters here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the hybridization formed is dsp2. As a result, the complex is square planar, and since all electrons are paired, it is diamagnetic. We draw it like this. We put 4 cyanide at the 4 corners of a regular square planar. It is like this. So this is how the valence bond theory explains the formation of the coordinate compounds.